Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn the soprano part for the piece eKWANONGOMA. The rhythm for the soprano goes like this. And then you start off from G and C. So you're going to go and then next you go F and A and then E and G. One more time. There you go. G and C, and then F, A, and then E and G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. Okay, and then you move on from E and G. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then D, F, C, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. All right, so G and C, E and G, right, so that's it. That's the part. G and C, and then F, A, E, G. And then start from E, G, and then D, F, C, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. And then again from E and G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. All right. So that's the first part done for eKWANONGOMA. And then we move on to the second part. This time it's going to be a sort of a response from the piccolo. So the soprano part is going to go F, A, and E, G. You play the 1, 1 part. You no longer play the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just go 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. So you're leaving out, and then you leave out. So it's basically that. You're going. F, A, E, G, and then D, F, C, E. And then you go back to the beginning. And that's the part for the soprano for eKWANONGOMA. Enjoy learning the part. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.